Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's perfect, whether you're looking for a side hustle for some extra cash, or you're ready to take the plunge and become your own boss, full-time, the top 20 part-time jobs for freelancers. And the best part? We're going to show you how to leverage the power of AI to absolutely crush it in each of these roles. You hear it everywhere you turn these days, but AI is revolutionizing the way we work, and it's creating incredible opportunities for freelancers like you. So whether you're a wordsmith, a tech whiz, or somewhere in between, there's a place for you in the world of freelancing, especially if you know how to use AI to your advantage. Over the next 20 minutes, I'm going to break down each of these jobs, giving you the insider tips and tricks you need to succeed. We'll be talking about everything from the skills you need to develop to how much money you can realistically expect to make. And of course, how to use those AI tools to maximize your efficiency and earnings. So let's get started. Content is king, right? It always has been, and in the age of the internet, it's more important than ever. As a freelance content writer, you'll be crafting blog posts, website copy, and more. From logos to social media graphics, businesses need eye-catching visuals, and that's where you come in as a freelance graphic designer. Want to get paid to hang out on social media? As a freelance social media manager, you'll be the voice of brands online, scheduling posts, engaging with followers, and analyzing data. Think of yourself as the behind-the-scenes superhero, keeping everything running smoothly. Virtual assistants are in high demand, and with AI by your side, you can manage calendars, book travel, and handle emails like a pro. Love a particular subject? Share your knowledge and help students succeed as an online tutor. You can find students of all ages and tailor your lessons using AI-powered platforms. Every business needs a website, which means web developers are always in demand. With AI tools helping you code and debug faster, you'll be building websites and launching online dreams in no time. Data is the new gold, and businesses need skilled data analysts to help them make sense of it all. Want to help websites rank higher on Google and attract more customers? As an SEO specialist, you'll use AI-powered tools to optimize websites and boost their visibility. Video content is booming, and businesses need talented video editors to bring their stories to life. The internet has made the world a smaller place, and businesses need skilled translators to help them reach global audiences. Happy customers are the lifeblood of any business. As a customer service representative, you'll be the friendly voice on the other end of the line, answering questions and resolving issues, often with the assistance of AI chatbots. Think of yourself as a wordsmith, crafting persuasive copy that drives sales. AI can be your secret weapon for generating catchy headlines and persuasive calls to action. If you love the world of online retail, then becoming an e-commerce manager could be the perfect fit. From social media ads to email campaigns, digital marketers are the masterminds behind online marketing strategies. The demand for mobile apps is exploding, and skilled app developers are in high demand. With AI tools to help you with coding and testing, you can turn your app ideas into reality. Podcasts are more popular than ever, and businesses and individuals alike need talented podcast editors to make their audio sound crystal clear. From academic research to market analysis, researchers play a vital role in expanding our understanding of the world. From stunning portraits to breathtaking landscapes, photographers have a keen eye for capturing the beauty around us. Do you have a voice that captivates? Voiceover artists are in demand for everything from commercials to animated films. Have valuable skills to share. As an online course creator, you can package your knowledge into engaging courses and reach a global audience. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on freelancing and leveraging AI for success. Remember, the future of work is here, and it's flexible, it's independent, and it's powered by technology. So what are you waiting for? Embrace the world of freelancing and start building the career of your dreams. See you in the next video.